I have a Toyotomi Toyostove Laser 73. I am getting exhaust smell in the room. The exhaust seems to be tight. I wonder if the smell is coming from the burn pot or is there a filter inside that needs cleaning? Thanks.
One moment please. Note it takes time to type and add links, so please be patient. Also, the site will send you a phone call offer. That is not me. Was the unit just fired up or is this an ongoing issue?
Okay, standing by. The smell has only been noticeable for a week or so. Not windy conditions, just colder and stove is on more and more, so smell is more present.
You may have a crack in the heat exchanger on the unit. How long have you had this?
It's been heating my cabin for several years. I never touch it or do anything but reset the time when spring forward/fall back.
You may want to clean the exchanger, but you would have to take it apart to do that. Can you do that?
I have tools and experience. I installed the unit. Do you have a diagram or info on removal?
Yes, click here, page 7. Check the exchanger for cracks as well. Clean it all out and you should be good to go if the exchanger looks good. All I ask is please use the also rating now does not close the question out, and you can come back anytime for free right here to me. Happy holidays.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.